Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 12, how heavy, how light. Okay dear students, and today's topic is weight. Okay dear students, please open page number 115. Okay, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay distance, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Dear students, please keep in mind 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, okay distance. Similarly, 2 kilogram is equal to, dear students, look at here carefully. 2 kilogram is equal to how much? Look here. If we have to take the multiplication by 2 into 1000, then we get 2 kilogram is equal to 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 ones are 2. It means that 2000 gram. Okay, sir? 2 kg is equal to 2000 gram. Look at here carefully. Here given that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Similarly, 2 kg is equal to 2000 gram. Similarly, 3 kg is equal to 3000 gram, and 4 kg is equal to 4000 gram. Okay, distance. It means that if we have to take the multiplication by 1000 in given quantity, okay, then we get the answer of this solution. Okay, distance. Then we get the answer of this question. Okay. It means that, look at here carefully. Here we have to convert kilogram into gram. Okay, understand? Okay, students, it means that we have to take the multiplication of given quantity for converting kilogram into gram. Okay, students, now is this. Now let's start question number. Okay, students, now let's start question number 5. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 5 have 8 part. Question number 5 of A is 2 kg is equal to dash 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 gram. 5 of B is 500 gram is equal to how many kg? Question number C is 750 gram is equal to dash 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 kg. Question number D is 1 kg is equal to dash 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 into 500 gram. Yes, look at here carefully. In question number 5, they are given that question number 5 of A is given that 2 kg is equal to dash 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 gram. Dear students, look at here carefully. If we have to take the multiplication of 1000 in given quantity, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. Here given that 2 kg is equal to, dear students, if we have to convert kilogram into gram, then we have to take the multiplication by 1000 in given quantity. Okay, look, it means that here we have to take the multiplication of 1000 in given quantity, then kilogram convert into gram. Okay, after multiplying these we get 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 ones are 2. It means that 2000 gram. Okay, distance. Therefore, here we can write 2 kg is equal to 2000 gram. Okay. Here given that 500 gram is equal to how many kg? Look at here carefully. Dear sons, if we have to convert gram into kilogram, then we have to take the division by 1000 of given quantity. Okay, listeners, it means that if we have to convert gram into kilogram, then we have to take the division by 1000, okay, in given quantity. Okay, listeners, after solving these we get the answer of this question. Look at here carefully. Here given that 20 20 cancel out. Okay, after solving these we get 5 upon 10. Okay, sons, we know that 5 1 is 5 and 5 2 is 10. Because table of 5, 5 1 is 5, here we can write 1, 5 2 is 10, here we can write 2 as question. Okay, after solving these we get 1 by 2 kilogram. It means that half kilogram. Okay, son, therefore here we can write 1 by 2 kilogram. Understand? Okay, in question number C, similarly we can solve question number 5 of C. Now that this, okay, look at here carefully. This is here given that 750 gram is equal to how many kilogram? Distance, we know that if we have to convert gram into kilogram, then we have to take the division of 1000, okay, in given quantity. It means that 750 divided by 1000. Understand? Look, here given that 1010 cancel out. Okay, after cancel these we get 75 over 100 kilogram. Distance, recalls table of 25, 25 3 is 25 3 is 75 and 25 4 is 100. Okay, after solving these we get 3 over 4. It means that 750 gram is equal to 3 over 4 kg. Okay, distance, 3 upon 4 kg. Understand? Look, D, in question number D, here given that 1 kg is equal to how many? 500 gram. Look at here carefully. Distance, we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, if we have to take 2 into 500 gram in place of 1000, then we get 2 into 500 gram. Okay, it means that, look, if we have to multiply by 2 in 500 gram, then we get 1000 gram. Okay, and 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Understand? It means that 1 kilogram is equal to 2 into 500 gram. Okay, distance. Now read this. Distance, if you have any doubt in this question, please ask me. Similarly, we can solve all given question of question number 5. Question number 5 of E is 1 whole 1/2 kilogram is equal to how many? 250 gram. And question number F is 3/4 kg is equal to how many gram? Question number 5 of G is 1 kilogram is equal to how many? 100 gram. Question number H is 3 kg is equal to how many? 200 gram. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Dear sons, here given that 1 whole 1/2 kg. It means that 1 kg and half kg. Okay, sons. Look at here carefully. 1 whole 1/2 kg. Dear sons, this is a mixed fraction. Firstly, we have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. 2 1s are 2, 2 into 1 plus 1/2 kilogram. Okay, sons. 2 1s are 2 plus 1/2 kilogram. That 2 plus 1 is 3/2 kg. Okay, sons. Here given that 3/2 kg is equal to how many gram? Look at here carefully. Listen, we know that 3/2 into, if we have to convert kilogram into gram, then we have to take the multiplication by 1000. Okay, and here we can write gram. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that 250 gram. 250 gram. Firstly, we have to solve this. Look at here carefully. 3 0 is 0, 3 0 is 0, 3 0 is 0, and 3 1 is 3 by. Okay. After solving these, we get, look at here carefully, 3000 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. Subtracting this, we get 3 minus 2 is 1. Here we get 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay. And here we have to take 0 as same. 2 0s are 0. Again we have to take 0 as same. 2 0s are 0. Okay, distance. After solving these, we get 1500 gram. Okay, distance. Here we can write gram. Okay. Okay, distance. After solving this, we get 1500 gram. Look at here carefully. It means that in 1500 gram is how many? 2050 gram. Okay. Look at here carefully. Distance, if we have to take the division of, okay, distance, if we have to take the division of 1500 by 250, Okay, distance 1500 gram. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. If we have to take the division of 1500 by, here we get 0 0 cancel out, okay, and we get 150 over 25. After dividing these we get 150 divided by 25. 25 6 is 150. It means that here we get, after solving these we get 6. Therefore here we can write 6. Okay, difference.
Okay, dear students, I repeat again, please look at here carefully.
Gram. Okay, difference. Multiplying these we get 3 0 is 0, 3 0 is 0, 3 0 is 0 and 3 1 is 3 over 2 gram. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Okay, distance. After multiplying these we get 3 0 is 0, 3 0 is 0, 3 0 is 0 and 3 1 is 3 over 2 gram. Okay, distance. We know that 3000 divided by 2. Look, 3000 divided by 2 is 2 1 is 2. After subtracting this we get 3 minus 2 is 1. Here we have to take 0. 2 5 is 10. After subtracting this we get cancel out. Here we have to take 0. 2 0 is 0. Again we have to take 0. 2 0 is 0. Okay, distance. After solving these we get 1500 gram. Okay, it means that 1 whole 1 over 2 kg is equal to 1500 gram. Okay, distance. Look, it means that 1 whole 1 over 2 kg is equal to 1500 gram. Okay, distance. Look, here given that in 1 whole 1 over 2 kg is equal to how many 250 gram. Okay, distance. It means that if we have to take the division of 1500 divided by 250, then we get the result of this. Okay, look here 0 0 cancel out. Okay, distance. After cancel this we get 150 over 25. Okay, okay, distance. Recalls table at 25. 25 1 is 25, 25 6 is 150. It means that after solving this we get 6 over 1. 6 over 1 is equal to 6. Okay, distance. Therefore we can write here 6. Understand? Similarly we can solve all questions. Look, in question number 5th of F, here given that 3 over 4 kg is equal to how many gram. Dear students, look at here carefully. Here given that 3 over 4 kg. Dear students, we know that if we have to convert kilogram into gram, then we have to take the multiplication by 1000 in given quantity. Okay, distance. Look, multiplying these, we get 3 0 is 0, 3 0 is 0, 3 0 is 0, and 3 1 is 3. Okay, distance. After multiplying these, we get 3000. We have to take the division of 3000 by 4. 3000 by 4. Okay, distance. 4 7 is 28. After subtraction these, we get distance. Look, here given that 0, here 8. We know that 0 is less than 8, therefore we have to take one borrow from 3, and this 0 makes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, and here we get 2 in place of 3. 2 minus 2 is 0, it means that cancel out. Here we have to take 0. 4 5 is 20. After subtracting this, we get cancel out. Here we have to take 0. 4 0 is 0. After subtracting this, we get 0. It means that cancel out. Okay, distance. It means that after solving these, we get 750 gram. Okay. Then here we can write 750 gram. Okay, distance. In question number 5th of G. Distance, we know that in 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, and here given that 100 gram. If we have to take the division of 1000 by 100, then we get the answer of this box. Okay, distance. Look, here given that 2 0 and 2 0 cancel out. After cancel this, we get 10 over 1. It means that 10. Here we can write 10. It means 1 kilogram is equal to 10 into 100 gram. Okay, distance. Similarly, we have to solve question number 5 of page. Here given that 3 kg is equal to how many? 200 gram. Distance, we know that 3 kg is equal to 3 into 1000 gram. It means that 3000 gram. Okay. If we have to take the division of 3000 by 200, then we get the answer of this box. Okay, it means that 3000 divided by 200, 20 cancel out. After solving this, we get 30 over 2. Okay, distance. Look, 2 1 is 2, and 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. Okay, distance. It means that if we have to take the division of 30 by 2, 2 1 is 2. After subtracting this, we get 3 minus 2 is 1. Here we have to take 0, and 2 5 is 10. Okay, it means that 15. Here we get 15. Okay, distance. And here we can write 3 kg is equal to 15 into 200 gram. Okay, distance. Distance, please write in book.